You will never get old if you eat these 7 anti-aging foods. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, extra virgin olive oil can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from aging. Use it as a salad dressing or for light cooking to reap its benefits. 2. Green tea. Loaded with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps fight free radicals and may lower the risk of age-related diseases. Sip on green tea daily to keep your skin and body youthful. 3. Pomegranate. Packed with polyphenols and vitamin C, pomegranates support collagen production and skin elasticity. Enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds or juice to harness its anti-aging properties. 4. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. They can help improve skin texture and keep your heart and brain healthy. Add flax seeds to your smoothies or sprinkle them on yogurt for a nutritional boost. 5. Avocados. Full of healthy fats, avocados nourish your skin and protect it from damage. Incorporate avocados into your diet by making guacamole, adding slices to sandwiches, or as a topping for salads. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant known for its skin-protecting properties. 7. Apple cider vinegar. With its acetic acid content, apple cider vinegar aids digestion and may contribute to weight management. Mix a teaspoon in water and consume before meals for potential anti-aging benefits.